How a cement plant works? Explained simply, cement is one of the most important materials in the construction world. From buildings and bridges to roads and dams, cement plays a key role in giving strength and durability. But have you ever wondered how cement is actually made inside a cement plant? Let's understand this process in a very simple and easy way. 1. Raw materials used. The main raw materials used in cement manufacturing are limestone, clay, sand, and iron ore. Limestone provides calcium carbonate. Clay and shale provide silica, alumina, and iron oxide. All these materials are carefully selected and transported to the plant from nearby quarries. 2. Crushing and mixing. Once the raw materials arrive at the plant, they are passed through crushers to break them into smaller particles. After crushing, all materials are mixed together in specific proportions to form a uniform mixture called raw mix. This step is very important because it ensures the chemical composition remains balanced for strong cement quality. 3. Grinding in the raw mill. The raw mix is then sent to a raw mill where it is ground into a fine powder known as raw meal. The grinding process is usually done in large rotating mills using steel balls. This fine powder is then stored in silos and continuously tested to maintain quality. 4. Heating in the rotary kiln. The next stage is the heart of the cement manufacturing process, the rotary kiln. The raw meal is heated at extremely high temperatures, around 1400 degrees Celsius to 1500 degrees Celsius. Inside the kiln, several chemical reactions take place. At this stage, the material transforms into clinker, which looks like small gray balls. This is the semi-finished form of cement. The fuel used to heat the kiln can be coal, natural gas, or alternative fuels like waste materials or biomass, depending on the plant design. 5. Cooling and clinker storage. Once the clinker leaves the kiln, it is very hot, around 1200 degrees Celsius. It is passed through a clinker cooler, which quickly brings down the temperature using air. After cooling, the clinker is stored in large silos or warehouses for further processing. 6. Grinding the final cement. In this stage, the cooled clinker is mixed with a small amount of gypsum and ground again in the cement mill. Gypsum is added to control the setting time of cement. The final fine powder produced after grinding is ordinary Portland cement, OPC, which is ready for packaging. 7. Packaging and dispatch. Finally, the finished cement is sent to the packing plant where it is packed into bags, usually 50 kilograms each. Some cement is also loaded directly into bulk trucks or rail wagons for delivery to construction sites or dealers. 8. Environmental and safety measures. Modern cement plants also focus heavily on reducing pollution and energy use. Dust collectors and bag filters are used to control emissions. Waste heat recovery systems are installed to save energy. Many plants also use alternative fuels to make the process more eco-friendly. Conclusion. So, in simple words, a cement plant works like a big factory that turns natural materials such as limestone and clay into a strong bonding material called cement. It involves several steps: crushing, grinding, heating, cooling, and final grinding, all carefully controlled to produce high-quality cement. From raw rock to the strong buildings we live in, every bag of cement carries the power of modern engineering and continuous innovation.